Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's the third and the final episode of building a dashboard where we were showing the top and worst performed stocks and ETFs for 2024. Last time we got up to the moment where we are fetching the stock data from Yahoo Finance, so we marked appropriately our progress. Now let's continue where we stopped from. So we got the stock data, and now it's time for our main application logic to be done. Main app logic, and now we start with building a Streamlit app. Streamlit, title, market, performance, dashboard for 2024. It requires 3 lines. We format the line. Okay. Next. Now, as you remember, we have 2 options, ETFs and stocks. Let's write down cases for each of those. So when user selects ETFs or when user selects stocks. If categories equal to stocks, Streamlit header top 10 best and worst performing stocks for 2024 among SP 500 list. Now we have the method to fetch the constituents. So SP500 tickers equals to get SP500 constituents. Let's add comments to those as well. Fetch SP500 stock list. Next, what we need to do, we need to fetch the historical data. So we are trying to get the data for all 2024. Fetch stock data for 2024. Now for this we need following parameters. Start date equals 2024 01/01, first day of the year, and end date, no surprise here, equals to 2024 12/31, and stock data will be fetch stock data for start date, end date, and we forgot here SP500 tickers. So we are calling this method fetch stock data. Let's click on it, and indeed it requires 3 arguments. Okay, great. We're done with this. Now let's handle cases when there is a stock data. If not, stock data empty. Now what we want to do, we want to return to sort it based on the return of 2024. So the highest increase of the stock price goes to top. So sort by return per year. Sorted data will be stock data, sort values, and sort by equals to year to date. Return. Let's see what we named it. Year to date return. Let's copy this. And paste it here. And another argument for this function, ascending equals to false. So we decided to go with descending order. So the highest values on the top. Now let's outline top and worst performing stocks. Top and worst performers. Top 10 stocks equals sorted data head 10 reset index drop equals true. Same way we are doing it for the worst. 10 stock equals sorted data tail, so goes to the other end of the sorted data, and we can simply copy and paste part here. Now let's display the tables. Display tables in Streamlit. Streamlit, subheader, top 10 best performed stocks. Streamlit, data frame, top 10 stock. Style, format, let's just copy this. This will be our value. And we want it limited to 2 decimals. Here we go. So what we did here, we are creating a data frame which will include this table into the Streamlit application with our formatting approach applied. Same way we are going to do for the worst. Let's copy this, copy, and paste, and here goes worst. And the same style and format. this covers the case when there is stock data. So what if it's not? Else simply display Streamlit error, no stock data to display. And now else if we are back to our categories. Categories equal to ETF. What to do in this case? Streamlit header top 10 best and worst ETFs. Now let's define the ETFs among which we're going to make our check. Define ETFs. So, ETF tickers equals to the list of SPY, IVD, VOO, triple Q, VTI, what else? VBA, IWM, VG, ATV, BND, SCHD, XLF, let's continue from here, XLE. We need to make sure that there are more than 10 ETFs here, so our structure won't be broken. And a couple of more. XLY, XLI, XLK, XLV, XLP, and XLC. That's enough. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and let's check one couple of more. Popular TF. Okay. IFA, AGG. Let's add those two. IEFF, and what was next? AGG. Okay, now we're good. We have 21, so we will have our top 10 and worst 10 covered. Now, again, for those will be the same start and end dates. So let's copy this segment. We will modify it a little. Paste. ETF data. And here we'll go ETF data. And here we'll go ETF tickers. Let's delete unnecessary part. And again, the same approach that we did for stocks. So let's copy this part and then we will cut off what we don't want or we will modify what is applicable for ETFs. If not, ETF data empty, sorted data will be ETF data's values, top 10 ETFs, and worst 10 ETFs. And here goes naming. And same changes here. Else, no, ETF data to display. Okay, seems that we are good here. See why we have those errors for categories. We probably forgot to add here Streamlit categories, Streamlit sidebar, select box. I don't know why it was removed, because I remember we did it on the first section. Select category, and our choices of categories will be stocks or ETFs. Let's make sure that our category selection here is correct as well. Stocks and stocks, ETFs and ETFs. Okay. Now seems that we are ready to execute our script. So Streamlit, run, it's task 23. Now it's trying to get the stock data, as stocks are selected here. Let's wait for the data to be displayed, and then we will check also if ETF data is populated correctly. Some of the elements are delisted. It's okay. Just bear with me for a couple of moments until the data is acquired and displayed, and we will see the result of our effort. good thing is that we don't have any more stocks that are skipped, and it's just a matter of time when the data will be acquired, modified and displayed. Modified in terms that it is shown something. And here we go. We can see the ticker PLTR Planter is 365% return, so the price of it raised more than 3 times. 16 more than 3 times. It's 64, 66 actually, because 16.5. So yeah. And the worst ones, we see the worst one is mRNA. At the beginning of the year the price was 112, and at the end it was 39.4. It lost quite a while. And the ETFs, let's see also ETFs, the data if it's displayed. We have worst performers, but even those are positive. And we see best performance, which are BUG, XLC, XLF, Triple Q, which did close to 30% all. SPY, the most popular one, did 26%, which is also good. So if you have invested, let's say 10,000 on it, so your return would be 26% more. I hope this was useful for you. You can work on this and make it even better, include larger scope of stocks, create additional criteria for display, and make it useful tool in your journey to make investments based on informed decisions. Stay in touch, like, comment and share the video. I would love to see the feedback from you, and see you next time. Bye bye.